Sa totoo lang, ang daming nagsasabi before na malaking achievement or malaking milestone yung getting mo yung silver play button sa YouTube, di ba? But that was not my intention. And then, nakaabot ka ng 200,000 followers sa social media mo, malaking bagay talaga siya. But that was not my intention. Ang pinaka-intention ko talaga is to create or make impact sa mas maraming tao. One of the highlights itong summit na to, actually, in my career, you've witnessed it. Nakatulong tayo sa mga kababayan na natin na naapektuhan ng bagyong Odette. So, before pa mawala ng kuryente ng internet, post lang ako, I tweeted na hopefully we can raise funds for the typhoon victims ng Odette. Suddenly, after 2 days, we raised $1.5 million in donations para sa mga kababayan natin na Pilipino na naapektuhan ng bagyo. That's for me a milestone. Wala yung number of followers. I don't care about my followers, yung numbers actually. Numbers of followers. I care about you, syempre. Kasi my goal here is to actually leave a legacy na, uy, si Kuko nakatulong sa akin yan. Sa either information, personal, hindi man financial, pero malaki yung impact niya sa buhay ko. Yun yung pinaka-goal ko. That's why passionate ako of what I'm doing, and regardless of the market situation, nandito pa rin ako. Kasi I know my intention. I know my purpose.